Okay, let me know once the compilation is done. This page we have made, register page will work, and then in homework we'll design very good banner, and after banner we'll display the list of the product. Okay, so register login component was ready already yesterday. Project is running for how many people? Running 1%, 2%, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, this is happening. By then, let's do one thing. I will share you one banner file. And give one banner file. CSS file I'll give. One CSS file I'll give. That CSS file we will keep under the particular folder. I'll guide you where to get carousel. Because we want to create a banner also in page. So this CSS file is required. Inside your node modules, you have a bootstrap, dist, css, You will keep this file here. I'm sending the same file in the chat. One file is going to come in your chat. Download that file, CSS file, and keep in this folder. Hope you can see the path. Under the node modules, bootstrap, dist, and then CSS. Download that file and keep under the node_modules. Inside you have bootstrap. Inside you have dist. Inside you have CSS. Inside that you can paste that. Download that file and keep in this particular path. Even I have sent in the chat also, and you can see in my system also the path is visible. After keeping the file on the particular location, download that file and keep under this particular location. If you done that, you can reply yes, completed. We can move next. Okay, very good. Once we done that, then we need to implement next banner part. That we will do. So come inside the code. Okay, wait, next. This is the register we are going to create, that is fact. but home also should be there. Inside the home, there will be many things. So first, there should be one banner here. Banner. In Bootstrap, you have seen the banner. Those will come here. After that, there will be a register page we have to create. That will come here. Okay. So banner file we kept there. Carousel.css. Now you are going to create a next file that is called, look into your folder. In app.js file, if you see, home component, we have written directly one line here. Something we are written for home, right? So let's create a component home.js. Create a new component home.js. Create a new component home.js. Import React from. Okay, after that, home equal to export default home. Do till here. So home is ready. Create one more component, banner.js. Create one more component, banner. .js. Import inside React from React React. After that, come inside next and import in single quote that which file bootstrap dist css then carousel carousel.css. That file we have stored under the node modules folder. carousel carousel. Come inside now, write a constant called banner return export file right inside h1 banner is now we will call the banner inside the home and home inside the app will become a nested component. Home will come under the banner will come under the home and home will come under the main component. Okay, so home banner is ready. Both the component. Now come to the home file. In home file, we will be calling this banner. We'll come to the home file, import inside banner from /banner. Then come down inside under the function you have to write the return under the return you will follow an empty tag and under the empty tag we will call that BA. We can write here home is working. Below banner will come. Both file I will send it in the chat, home and banner. Home and banner both came to your chat. Okay, hope home is ready. Now come to the app.js file. Remove this constant. Right here, import home. Import home from home. Okay, import home from home. Check now. Now home should be the combination of home and banner both. Home should be the combination of home and banner both. Home is working, banner is working. Home will be the combination of both. Home is working, banner is working. So in banner file, first we'll add the banner stuff. Image related. Image and banner related code we have in Bootstrap, that also will add. After that, it will start working. Or instead of following the Bootstrap banner, we can write our own banner also. Okay. We can write our own banner better. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the banner.js file. We are importing here one carousel.css carousel file. Okay, this carousel file we will not use. We will not use the Bootstrap banner. We will create our own banner. Okay, so delete this part. Import section we remove. We come down. Follow inside one section tab. Give ID equal to my banner. Put inside some text. This is moving banner. by CSS. Just one small text. CSS for this we can write in the index.css file. We have a file called index.css. There we can write the CSS for this, my banner, everything, it will be proper. I hope this portion we done. Next, we are going to the CSS file. There we'll write the CSS to change the look and feel of this section. Plus, they will write their animation also. According to time, it will keep changing. We'll set some interval. No, no, बजले. Okay, hope done. Check now. Your page look like this. This is moving banner by CSS. Come to the index.css file. Inside that, there is something written for code. You remove that, not needed. And write a comment here. CSS for banner. My banner. Adding 100 pixel. Then height 200 pixel. Then background keep some color, sky blue color, font size summary ATPX, font size ATPX, text align, center, font weight, bold. So it is going to come in the middle. Background will be which color? Background will be a sky blue color. Font weight will be bold. And then text center, font size 80. Okay, check this much. This is something limited happen. Something wrong here. No, this is height removed. Okay, do one thing, keep mean height. But that should work here. Mean height 200 px. Okay, minimum height 200 pixel. We can increase little. Minimum height 300 pixel. No changes. Padding do you need to increase? 150. Padding 100 is okay. Compilation was not done because of that. 150 pixel become very huge. Become 20 px. थोड़ा बढ़ा के देखिए आप. Increase and check once. Okay, so this much is okay. 150. Now you write an animation for this. @ keyframes. Move banner. Inside the keyframe. When 25% of time will get finished, we will say background color, some color, and then color as a white color. Semicolon is required. Then 40% time will get finished. Blue color. When 60% time will get finished. Background color. Brown color. Color is white. When 80% time will get finished. Background. Cyan color. Color. White color only. In this we have to do some font size changes also. Let's modify the font size. Font hyphen size will become directly 40 pixel. Will become 50 pixel. Next will become 60 pixel font size. Now start from 40. Then next will be 50. Next will be 60. Next will be 70. And default is anyhow 80. This is your animation part. Let's come to your chat. Now call the animation here. Animation colon. Name of the animation. move banner, move banner. Next, animation hyphen duration, 10 seconds. Next, animation hyphen iteration count, infinite. This banner CSS also I will send to your chat. So animation got ready for banner and CSS. Check now. It should work. And let me know if animation is working. Changing. Something basic. Okay, but height is getting increase and decrease. Okay, that is a problem. That height should not increase and decrease. Height should be fixed height. So height we are given minimum height, mean height 400, 300, keep a 400 directly, height 400 and then check. It should be fixed. Height should not be up down. Keep height fixed. So that when the font size increase and decrease, the height should be constant. Now height is constant. Font size increasing, decreasing, no matter. Height is constant. Okay, so that part is ready. Now we need to come to the home.js file for a small changes. From home.js file, we will do the small changes. In home.js file, you have written h1, welcome home or home is working. Remove that h1. In home.js file, we have written h1, home is working. Remove that. In home.js file, we have written h1, home is working. Remove that. Let it be only banner. First will be banner. After banner, we will add the product list and something else. This become your banner. Only banner. Keep only banner. This is we have written empty tag so that it should not break the rule of JSX. See now, it look like this. Completely navigation plus banner is stick together. It's just one after other with the noise space. Okay, hope ready. If you click on login, it will go to the login page, register, home will be animation page. Okay, next after that, we will complete the home file, not home file, that register file. Register file will complete. After that, again, we'll come back to the home page. Okay, after that, it will come to the home page. So, banner. How many times I have written banner? CSS written. Iteration count infinite, duration 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, so go to the register page now. You will create a next component, register component. According to app.js file, you can see here you have a constant called register. We need to create a register component. Create component register .js. You will take the copy of login. First create a file register.js and take the copy of login. Register.js is ready. We can take the copy of login file, because again similar design you have to write the code. Better take the copy of login page, and in that we'll modify, we will change the class name, we will change the number of field, we'll change the linking method and everything. Okay, so next, the function name in the register file you have to change to register, and below export you have written login, that also you have to change to register. Change the function name register, and export also change to register. These two things you can complete first. Okay, done that part. Come down. The header section is BG primary. We are going to change into BG success. BGSUCCS success, and change the lock to user plus user hyphen plus. Modify the header part BG success user plus, and this will be registered. BG success icon is user plus now, and text is user plus. And earlier it was linking to register page. Now you are in the register page, so you have to link to login page. Login page, and you will be writing here. Full write is all is okay. If a lock you can apply here. Instead of user plus, you can say for lock, and saying like, are you registered, or do you have account, or simple question mark will come. Registered, 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 then login. Please modify the header section. Okay, registered, then login. Now come down in the model card body, you have email and password. Email password will be same. Below we have a button called login button. Login button. Change to register. Login button change to register. And this you can convert into which color? Info color. Or maybe some other color. Warning color. Warning is yellow color. Header modification you made. Then do the footer modification. Header modification done. Then do the footer modification. Okay, so hope ready. Now that we have written called email ID password, we will add one more field called full name and phone number. Add one more field, full name, full name, and one more field, mobile number. Okay. This is the card body. Below is the card body. Save this. Then we will come to the app.js file and we will do the linking to the register page. It was linked to the constant function, inline function. We will link to the register page. Okay, so you can add this full name and mobile number. Then come to your app.js file. Again, import here. Import register from register. From register. Header login home register. Then your register page will work like this. From here we can go to the login to register. From top also we can go to the respective page. We can go to the home. We'll have a perfect manner. Please confirm working for how many people? I will share the SRC folder again. Okay, very good. Let me share the SRC folder once. In case any problem, you can use this. Okay, replace. The banner is coming here. In this banner, we can keep photo. Okay, changing photo. Background we have written. So, okay, we can keep here photo, changing photo. So let me download some 4 photos. Let me download 4 photos. e-commerce banner. Hmm. Person. Two I have downloaded. Three banner is downloaded. Banner 4 is downloaded. Banner 5 is downloaded. So we got one banner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Now I will send you this 5 photo in your chat. What is the dimension of all? It's very small here. It is another small photo. Not fit properly. Okay, so let it be. I need to download the big photo. More tools, size, large size. Okay, this one let it be. I will download the clean photo. I'll give you next day. So this register is coming, login is coming, home is coming. Okay. Now after that here in the home page only, we need to display now list of the products. Okay, list of the product we need to display here. Where? Under the home page. Okay, and after that in the last there will be one footer section. Footer section, list of the product. So now go here and create another component. Give the name of the component called product list, that we are going to call under the home product list. So create a component called product list.js. Product list.js. Next component is product list.js. Okay, product list.js is ready. Come inside, import React from React. Now come down right there, constant product list. We will follow in this bootstrap everything. Division, class name as a container. Empty, you can write here something. Empty 3, some space will be there from top. Export default product list. Okay. After that come there, division, class name row, next division, division. Okay. Call -sg -3 you keep, so that 4 product will come in one line. 3 and MB3 also. Now inside the 3, write the div P3 Vigilite rounded. With the bootstrap classes you have, padding 3 will get apply, background will be different color, and then a rounded like little circle will get apply. In that, first you are going to display one photo has to come here. Okay, we need to display the photo below product name, below price, and below something. So let's go. And first in your public folder, keep some 4-5 photos. In your public folder, keep some 4-5 photos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll come back to this particular position. In public folder, keep some 4-5 photos. In public folder, keep at least 5 photos. Complete this, go to the public photo folder, keep there 5 photos, rename 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hope ready. In your public folder, hope you have kept some 4 photos. I have many photos, so I will keep only 3 only. 3, 4, I will keep there. Let me to go to the folder. These photos I'll keep there for now. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photo we kept here. Go at this place, right inside img srs equal to, you can give directly that 1, 2, 3. This will point to the public folder 1.jpg, class name equal to load, and then rounded. Below to that you display in, okay, before photo product name, before photo product name under the h4, that also in class name equal to text hyphen which color, text hyphen secondary red apple, close the h4, then image will come. After image, in a paragraph, 1 line of description, not paragraph, use a small tag, okay, or paragraph also you can use. Equal text, don't give bulk text, okay, keep equal text. After that, keep the price below in paragraph only, rupees 300. Then keep a button, add to cart. After that, write for this class name equal to btn hyphen danger btn hyphen sm, and one shopping cart icon should come in this plus symbol. You can add here simply plus symbol, add to cart. Now this price should be in the red color. Danger. Product details should be in a small tab. You can use here a small tab. Text will be smaller. Complete this portion. I will send you this in your chat also. Okay, this much code I have sent in your chat. So now we are adding a static. This 3, 4 we are going to add a static. Later we will bring this one from the JSON server. Okay, hope done one product. Now we will save the file and we will check one product is coming or not. Come to your home component. In home component, import product list from product list.js, and after banner add the product list component. After home, after banner add the product list component. And check once, is it coming in the home page? It should be in the center aligned. So it's going little here, there. This text is also less. We can at least complete till here 2-line text. Add to cart button should be in the center. Price should be in the maybe left side. This red apple should be in the center. Some CSS portion we need to work on that. So we can go here. So complete this part. So this is what, like banner product, this becomes a nested component. It's a separate component. You are calling under the home, and home is calling under the app, and from the app on the basis of URL it is displaying. So you need to, like, after the class or maybe after, whenever you are free, you need to sit and have a look into the flow of the files properly. How the component is working, linking one to other to other. Check it. Okay, so hope home file linking is done. In home file, you have called the product list. We will go to the product list. Some changes we have to do. Product list component. This we have given secondary, change to different color. Okay, change to info and keep text center, text icon center, so that it will come in middle. And this, a small text we have written, a small tag we have follow. In that also we can increase little text so that it should cover the full line. So this all will become dynamic. This data will come from the JSON. We will not write it manually. Okay, we will not write it manually. It will come from the JSON. Okay, or directly for row level, complete for row level, you can write text center. Complete for row level, write text center, everything will print in the middle. Complete for row level, write text center, it will print in the middle. Row level, right here text center, it will come in middle. Everything will print in the center. Row level, write a text center class, it will come in middle exactly like this. Now this call LG3, what you have written, you can paste at least 4 times. Later we will remove it. We will keep one time, we'll remove, but now you can keep 4 times. Okay, change the product name and photo and keep 4 times. It will look okay. This is the home page. Product list are coming. This call LG3, you can copy and we can paste it 2 times. Green apple 2.jpg, price 200. Then next call orange, orange 3.jpg, 100 rupees. Next call, within the row you read copy paste, hope you remember. Next we call here, call banana, Hello banana, 60 rupees kg, 4.jpg. So you copy paste 4 times and change according to your wish. Orange, mango, banana, apple, green, something here there. Okay. So that it will display inside the page. This is a static page you created. This data will bring from the JSON using the API and will display here. 4 photos will come from this. Hello. Hello. What's your name? Soumya, project class is already going on. We have message yesterday evening. Project classes we have started already. We are in the project class only. Check yesterday evening. We have message you text message. We have message you yesterday evening text message. Check your message. Can't you listen? We have message you yesterday evening. Okay. Check your text message. Yes. If you have not received, then next Saturday again 7 o'clock. 7 a.m. in the morning. Today morning 7 a.m. is over now. Now it is going to be over next 20 minutes. Next Saturday you can log in 7 a.m. 7 a.m. IST. Yes. Mm-hmm. 7 a.m. Yes. No, the message is for what purpose? Message is for the text purpose only. You know, yesterday evening I have sent a message to 40 people. 30 are joined. Whoever have not seen the message, they have not joined. So you should check the message also. No? Check, you will have network problem. That we are not responsible. Keep checking. Next Saturday you can log in 7 a.m. Okay. Mm-hmm. Come again, come again. Hmm. Okay, so hope we are getting 4 photos. Okay, after that, next. Next, after that, what should happen is there should be next page called, when you do here add to cart, what will happen is there will be one button here called cart item. When we click on that, it will go to the next page where it will display the list of item that you have added inside the cart. Okay, let's go next then. Create a next component called cart component, C-A-R-T. Product is coming, static page, this all will come dynamic. Next, we are creating a component called card component. C-A-R-T, cart.js. Go to the cart.js file. Inside that, import React from React. Constant my cart equal to come inside export default my cart. After that, come inside return. So return should be without flower bracket. Return div class name equal to container empty3 division class name row division class name call hyphen lg hyphen lg hyphen 4 and create another one called 8 4 8 combination. Inside the 4 you will have a division last name equal to bglite or maybe bg hyphen primary p4 rounded text white. Text white. Now go inside S3 customer details last name text center next copy the same paste in the next 8 bg light rounded also p4 as well items in cart. Okay. Come down below, you will create a table here and this table will have class name only table then key head tr class name equal to bg light is already okay text hyphen okay bg light we are given okay bg light don't give here Okay, busy light will be gray color inside. Okay, no problem. Text primary, okay. PH, product name, next TH, picture, image, not image, college photo. Next is a price. One more TH, one action. Body. Yes. Okay, so complete that. Which part? Right side part, eat part. Then again we'll come to the 4. Inside the 4, we'll have one customer details and one button called place order. So I will go to the first 3. div, class name, mv3, label, customer name, next one text box, input type equal to text, class name, form control. Customer name, email ID, phone number, and address, delivery address. Delivery address is spelling you can save delivery. Text area, close the text area. Then one button is required in a division. Text icon center. Button. Place order. Place my order. Class equal to btn hyphen danger btn hyphen g. Little big button, large button. Okay, so write it. Once you get ready, let me know. Then we can import under the routing and we will create a link. I can share this cart file also. Cart.js file I can send to your chat. Better replace it. It's HTML file. I will send you replace it, else you will design here there. Cart file has come to your chat. Download that and use. Upper part, what we have? We don't have anything enough. It's just a form. Left side is your name, mobile, email, address. Right side is a table. Achyut, you are not writing. No, it is compulsory to write. Whoever is attending the session, he should write the code. Okay. I'm writing the code for your purpose, not for my purpose. Project is your work. I should give the photo, you should design it. But I'm writing the code. It should not be give me the file. You write it fast. Practice, increase your typing speed. Okay, so your file has come to your chat. Now let's go ahead to the which file? App.js file. So inside the cart, class name is called mycart. Okay, come to the app.js file. Import that. Import mycart. Mycart from cart. Come down. Add one link here. Not link. Add a root. Cart. CRT. It should be mycart. Okay, so the path is called cart. Go to the header file. In header file, add a link. This will be called like a cart. And it will be, icon will be FAFA shopping hyphen cart. Icon name will be shopping hyphen cart. And here you can add for my cart. Icon name shopping hyphen cart. Maybe some other, we can check it. Check now. Okay, ready. My card, click on that. It should look like this. Customer details. And this side, this is coming very highlighted color, blue color. There should be some gap from top. Okay, we should have some space from top. Okay, highlighted color is fine. Will not modify that, leave it. And then from top some space we can add. So in cart page, I will send you this line completely. In cart page, the container we have empty 5, we can give empty 5. So from top there will be sufficient space. Empty 5 you give, you will have good space from top. So whichever the item we will add to cart, we will go here, we'll do add to cart. Add to cart once we do, and then we click on cart page. It will display whichever the item you have added here. You can delete from here. If you want to delete anything, you can delete from here. And after that, whichever the item will be here, we can do the place order, enter the details, click on place order. This will go for the order. Then again, the vendor will log in. This register and login we have made for the vendor purpose. Okay, register login we have made for the vendor purpose. Vendor will log in, register, and he will upload the product. Whichever the product he will upload, it will come to the home page. Customer will come, he will click on add to cart. When he will click on add to cart, that will go to the cart page. Customer will go to the cart page, he will enter the details and click on place order. So whichever the item is available in the cart, this all will get place order for this person. When the vendor will log in, the product owner, when he will log in, he can see, oh, these all are the product and this is the customer. Okay, that way it is going to work. Like in the Flipkart, when you buy the product is not from the Flipkart. That is from the supplier. Supplier will have a portal to log in. They will log in and upload the product. And then after that, it will come to home page. You will buy the product. Once you buy the product, Flipkart is not going to deliver. Your vendor is going to deliver. The delivery boy is from the Flipkart only, but the product is from the someone else. He will go there, take the product and deliver to you. Okay, that's why we are going to do. So hope till here working for everyone. This is the static design. It will take 3 weekend total. 1 weekend we finished. Now next weekend we will be working on next part, that is called register, login, JSON server, how to maintain the data in the backend. And when you do add to cart, it will come to the cart page. That is the next weekend work. Okay, and after that again, next will be some more thing that we will finish. I will send you SRC folder in chat now. If anyone has problem, they can replace the SRC folder. E-commerce project we are developing, complete, full dynamic based on JSON server. So JSON server task is on the next weekend and next weekend. Before that, static design we are doing. Next weekend, Saturday will be a static design only. For the vendor will have a home page, vendor will have a page to upload the product. vendor will have the product list page. Okay, after that only we will make it dynamic. Okay, so hope this design look better. We can make some more look and feel changes, but functionality should be there. Okay. Okay, then yesterday video, hold on, I'll see yesterday video, I'll give you if it is converted. Yesterday video, where is that? Yesterday video.